Okay, how's everybody doing out there? Just got done pouring here. I'm going to open the doors back up. What I'm going to show you now is I've installed some new cooling fans over here. Boy, they're really blinking on the camera. These are the fans I bought. Turn the light on. These were eBay deals. I think they were like $8 a piece. Specs on them. I thought they were defective because they dim and they get bright and they dim and they get bright, but they're actually okay. Down here is the relay I installed from the Midnight for aux 1. That's what the back of the relay looks like, a 5-pin relay. Number 30 down here is your power in with a fuse. 87 on top is your power out when it's switched. 85 is your ground. 86 would be the positive coming from your Midnight on the aux 1. That turns this on, and in turn turns the fans on. So I just got done tidying that up while it was raining, and it's helping keep this cool, because yesterday that thing was like insanely hot, and it was a very hot day as well. So no, nobody's back in the house. So that's my little update on the fans. They've been up there 2 days now. And outside, I've moved my fixed solar panels. Try not to step on any big rocks here. Got some grass coming in finally out, very exciting. I moved the fixed panels all the way over there next to the pole and actually ran them into the actual wires and ran some conduit up into the Midnight box. So now everything's running underground and working just dandy. So anyway, that's it. That's the big update. Been busy doing a million other things, but I only got something done with the solar. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.